Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of good view. So, on today's program, ndị be anyị ebelebe egburu. Unma nwaanyị aha na nwaanyị ishi punk. Erevile na identity nwaanyị ishi punk. Amadum na agboro ka ọ na-arụ na Lagos. Ọ na-ana ego na moto park. Bịa gerenu na program o hosturu onye kpọrọ na-ajụ ya kedu ihe mere o ji wee hapụ moto park ebe ọ nọ na Lagos. Amadị m na onye ofe mmanụ ka ọ lụrụ onye Oweda. Ọ lụrụ onye ofe mmanụ mụ ụmụ isii. Ọ dị ka so 5 boys 1 girl. Wee nke nwoke nọ n'ime ngana ya wee gbara bata sị gị na ya ọbụzi journalist finding women international agboro park business. Ọ ihe ọ na-arụzi. Hi! Give it up for ndị be anyị maka eshi abọghali information mmadụ. Mmetiri gị ka ị gere o, ọ bụ kwa m kwuru. Mmetiri gị gị gere. Don't come and say that I am the one that said. Onye agboro park ka ọ agboro ndị Yoruba Oweda ebe ọ lụrụ dị onye Yoruba. Wee gbarazie bata na a na-emebi ishiri ha ala Igbo. Ala Igbo dị gị mma ịgbara gaa Yoruba ga lụọ di. Ala Igbo dị gị mma ịgaga lụọ onye ofe mmanụ. Na ndị ofe mmanụ ndị ugwu na-eme nke a na-eme anyị nwa na-emebi isi ala igwe anyị na onye ofe mmanụ ka ị lụrụ. Hey! Nna akụkọ karịrị. Dan m ewetakwara unu program ọ dị ka so Barrister Emeka Imeagbalasi nke sị na ya ọ bụ founder gịnị nwanụ ọ dị ka human rights gịnị nwanụ. They are torchlighting what happened n'Eziagụ. They are investigating. Anytime ọ bụ na egburu anyị, the only thing ọzọ ya na ọ bụ investigating. Akpọkọrọ gị people gwa gị their qualification na onye abụ nke a na ọ gaha ya weta justice chakarara gwom ị na-eche justice my brother is not coming. Ebe justice ya abịa bụ na AK-47 ahụ ha ji egbu gị inweta that AK-47 my brother the day ị nwere that AK-47 ka justice gị na-abịa. The day ị nwere that kabandulasa ha ji egbu gị that day ị nwere ka your own justice na-abịa. Ị na-believe kwenu anybody can give you justice asị ọcha. The justice that you can give to yourself is in AK-47. That thing ha ji egbu gị nwee ya dobe na be gị dobe n'isi bed gị. Ha bụ ibi egbu gị you defend yourself. Use that to defend yourself. That is where your justice will come. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-efili na justice will come from all these nyocha. We are na-enyocha egburu anyị na high school Aba. Anyị na-enyocha egbu anyị everywhere. Anyị na-enyocha ebe ọ bụla ya gbagburu onye Igbo. Ịhụ ndị Igbo ha sị gị na a na-eme nyocha. That nyocha you will never know the outcome. High school Aba nyocha emere dia we don't know the outcome. Mkpọ nyocha no outcome. Igwe ọcha nyocha no outcome. Even in Delta egburu ndị IPOB nyocha no outcome. My brother ị na-believe na nyocha all these very people ụmụasụ oyibo na-enyocha. My brother they will never chapternalize ihe ya efevọ ha because ndị ugwu will always frustrate their nyocha. Ndị ugwu will always put somebody ha na-respect na-aza ndị ugwu saa to answer them and tell them oh mellow down ka hapụ ihe gara aga let bygone to be bygone. My people nna agwa unu go and buy your gun. Bygone must never be a bygone. Buy your own gun now. Anyị agbago nga prayer ga ka Chukwu na-ahụ anya kpere anyị ekpere. Once we return anyị gbara gaba na program imi ezi gaga nụrụ nke tọrọ bịa tidia na ebelebe egburu. I will be right back please.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya onye ọ bụla ya na-achị onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi onye ọ bụla ya bụ ọka aka ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga ezi ebube dị ngọzi mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi onye nwe m ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ nna nke Berede Ngozi anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị wee na-akpọkwu uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt bụ otu ọgbe wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra obodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile n'ihi na anyị enweghị ichi ọzọ ewezuga gị anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị nyefere anyị bụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị na-asị na enweghị ichi ọzọ egwezuga gị anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwere onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị ise
Nna, you are welcome back. Nna m ọmụ anyị abatana na this very prayer. Thank you Chukwu na-ahụ anya odogwu na-epe mpe mana odogwu nke gị bịara bụrụ oversize. Odogwu nke gị bịara bụrụ oversize o ị karịrị egwu karịkwana n'okwu ikotere egwu ndị iro. Anyị abịa gbaganụ ka unu bịa nụ ihe nke tọrọ Beatrice na program nke a bụ one of it very kind nke tọrọ Beati. Madam Ishi Punk na-edesive unu bịa nụnụ the work of Madam Ishi Punk. Abụ m journalist bụkwa na park na Lagos journalist na park na Lagos agbụrụ ka ọ na Lagos onye Yoruba ka ọ lụrụ onye ofe mmanụ bịa gerenụ nke tọrọ Beati ọkwa ndị a na-aga eweta wee na-confuse unu bụ ndị na-awọt ha anything. Okechukwu na Germany, that is Nigerian child Nwokpokoro Ofeke, was there na-akọsa ọnụ onye a wee na-download ha the profile of madam the highway ka anyị gbara na gaga geenụ ntị na ama m na ntị na-ata gị arụ ọ na-atakwu m arụ na achọrọ m ịnụ ihe a mma kpọrọ unu ugbu a ọ ya ka anyị ga-anụ.
na chairman arụ akpụrụ gị ga-epụta bịazie n'ala Igbo n'ala Biafra na-emezi journalist investigator ka ihe mere na iji madịrị biznes anyị na-eme na Lagos steeti gị hapụ biznes ebe ahụ mere gị chairman ụmụ onye na-ekwukwere ihe a
General onye gị nze ọbatago bak nze biko nze kwucha ma nze kwugebụ ihe netwọk nze kwucha general kwuo general onye gị ga-were iwe kwubu okwu m ji wee wetuo nze ngwa kwuchazie nke gị mba nze na-ekwubu wee mwepụ ya because of network nze na-ekwu ihe ị na-ekwu
because I don't know what you put on again. The Yoruba again, I think with somebody in Mutesha attack in a pack. Hey, would they send there and leave? Okay, there's a that is Sarani. But there's an act of flight down in China and Lapuria game one at the table. Why you cannot respect yourself and ask questions?
No, I'm trying to remove him. Network remove him. Nyakam na chi weapon now and nyakam na chi weapon. Ngwa nze
Why are they investigating journalists?
Millions of Nnamdi Kanu, millions. I tell you, this is how they behave. I tell you, millions of Nnamdi Kanu, this is how they behave.
Very evening.
They can never listen and pay attention to the.
We are facing
to the
a
protocol,
very
and that is how Nnamdi Kanu have trained them. But at the end,
both external and within.
They are going nowhere. They are going nowhere.
And we are going to overcome each and every one of these obstacles. That they may know that the God we worship is an invisible God, not a God that was brought by the hands of men. So we do not worship idol and never ever worship idol. This very family, this IPOB belongs to the Most High. And that is how it's going to be until Biafra comes.
So here I wonder
this evening I want to place it on record that our enemies are intensifying their attack against us from every corner. I am not saying this as lamentation or complaint. I am only trying to prepare our people for what is to come. You are being prepared for what is to come. The time has come to separate the chaff from the wheat. Our march is very, very near. The enemies are trembling, they are quaking, they are doing all they can to try to stop us. But they have failed very woefully, and they will continue to fail. But I'm not sure that we are getting attacks from everywhere. From everywhere all over the world. And very soon, they will die over something. Some of you may.
Who are you talking to? When I speak, you listen, okay? If I speak, you listen. You understand what I'm saying? Abia,
I want all of us to understand this very easily. We are facing a very formidable array of enemies. Both external and within. And we are going to overcome each and every one of these obstacles.
nze ngwakwo nze kuchaka imechize nze kuchaka imechize nze kwa no with the last person na nze kwa yine kuka imechie
This very family disciple and that is how it's going to be.
Ana line by line.
If you are not
Lennon no too. A whole magazine name de Carlo. A whole magazine name de Carlo. A whole magazine name de Carlo Cana Pitos. Legoni no Kunisa Pitos, magazine name de Carlo. A whole magazine name de Carlo Cana Piton.
Place it on record that our enemies are intensifying their attack against us from every corner. I am not saying this as lamentation or complaint. I am only trying to prepare our people for what is to come. You are being prepared
No,
for
I
what
will
is to come.
get man. Don't worry, I'm a qua. Udo de ke ga wuro moderator. Ihe men no wana.
We are facing a very formidable array of enemies, both external and within. And we are going
No,
to overcome
myself. I never met him. No, I met myself. I'm finished now.
that I cannot tell you.
I met you go. I'm done.
That the God we worship is
he ama m na ntị m aka nke gị wee dị open ọkwa ị nụrụ ihe m nọ nwaanyị bụ onye agboro n'ọpa Iweka ọ nụrụ ebe kwukataziri okwu Nigerian child nwa okpokoro ofeke nke nọ na Germany nke na-akpọ onwe ya Okenna Okechukwu dị general general DJ la light club chukwu ya mee naked dance stripper were amụ ya mee kweka ọ general ha anụ m na osisi na ọ na-arụ n'airport na naked dance stripper ka ọ na Germany onye mabụ ya na-agwa m hoo ha na ya ọma na naked dance stripper mana ịma on social media anybody can claim anything. Anụziri m na ọ sị na ya ọ bụ injinia plane onye arụrụ ọ gaghị efe ọ gaghị adagbu mmadụ ka plane ọ na-arụzi nke a ndị Benin ji eme travel so ọ bụrụ na ị watch ya, if you watch Okenna the Nigerian child nwa okpokoro ofeke when he was saying na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya anwụ na Sokoto ọ nọ. This Okenna was the person telling you people, oh, you cannot appreciate my work. Maazị Simon Ekpa came to hijack the struggle. We are the one standing for Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. We are the gatekeepers. I keep Chageti. We will take Maazị Simon Ekpa to prison. Obviously, Maazị Simon Ekpa gara prison. Oh. The gatekeeper. Sizie na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya anwụ. Onye n'ọsọ ya bịara hijack the struggle from Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have never mentioned that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya anwụ ọsụzie na ọya ya anwụ na ya ọya emechicha ya ihe, which means they have used your mentality for a long time. People that cannot tell you the truth, you don't even know which way they face. How will you listen to them? How will you follow them? People you don't know what they face, what they believe, and what they believe in. How will you listen to them? I'm asking those of you. Because I'm rational in thinking. We think very deep. We don't just talk like that will come to social media in order to banter. No, we don't just talk. Before you see us talking, we will reason the outcome of what we are about to say or outcome of what we are about to do. Maazị Simon Ekpa went to prison because they said he is working for Nigeria. He wants to hijack the struggle from Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and betray Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Maazị Simon Ekpa have gone to prison. Though Maazị Simon Ekpa was crying, don't listen to these people. Their main target is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, whom they claim that they are defending. That is their main target. He was saying, if you listen to these very people, you will get to know that their main target is Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. But just because I stand on their way, that is the reason why they are attacking me. All this attack, I am going to betray. I am going to betray Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. It's not as if they love Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. They actually want him dead. They have been doing things in order to make him to die in that detention. but I am the stumbling block. That was what Mazi Simon Ekpa was saying. So this Okpokoro Ofeke, this coward, that cannot even come out with his action. He always hide at the back of people in order to execute his devilish action. He's comparing himself, Okpokoro Ofeke, hiding in Germany, playing propaganda against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in order to be granted pardon by Nigerian state so that ko were return or gagarizie ego ha butere. Ndoshi. I can only tell you one thing. This very freedom that we are in will come. It doesn't matter whosoever that is on the way standing against the freedom. It will come. So if you watched Madam Ishipong, when they were saying, no, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yawu na prison, she was smiling. But when other people were abusing the person saying, na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yawu na prison, all of a sudden she started saying, legonu keshi apito Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the person actually remove ndị na-eme akos the person saying na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yawu na prison. But onye na-akos Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she doesn't want to remove her. She doesn't want to remove him. But she will come out and tell you, oh, I believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These are criminals that you listen to. These are criminals in ike ya gbara ụka. Uchechi Kerembo. Akwụna ka ọ na-agba. Before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu met Uchechi, Uchechi was highway akwụna na campus. Time shall come when I will preach this. My preachings goes grade by grade. Yes, I don't know anybody, this and that. Uchechi was highway akwụna na campus. Time shall come the day that I will preach about this. You will be shocked. The day that I will preach about this. Igagaju ese. Onwere lecturer na-apịawu Uchechi. Onwere lecturer na-agaghị Uchechi. Lecturer ndị dakwara iberibe. That was her work. All of a sudden, I don't just know, but I cannot question God. God in heaven knows how he does things. Who are we to question God? We are mere mortals. Oh, mmadụ ekere eke ka anyị bụ. We don't have the power of questioning God. All of a sudden, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got married to the worst person on the planet Earth. One of the worst persons. And the outcome have been what you are seeing on social media. Anybody. What I preached many years ago, people are now boldly preaching it. I saw somebody. I saw Master Prophet. Master Prophet say, Asari Dokubo, chọrọ igbu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Uchechi had a meeting with Asari Dokubo. Anybody that have problem or issue with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Uchechi will have meeting with the person. This is what I have preached many years ago. I have told you this many years ago. In fact, when I started preaching, some of them have issue with it. They said, why am I bringing family to this social media? But now, an in-law inside the family is saying the same thing that I'm saying. Why not all the family, some of the family was hiding behind to feed me with the informations which they are not bold to say on their platforms or on social media. I will say it. But you know my own here, I don't call them. The information of Uchechi's second child, that is Ejiofor's daughter, Ejiofor's child, I mean to say, that is Ejiofor's child, is from the family that I got the information. Someone in the family told me that the last child of Uchechi is a striking resemblance to Ejiofor. And they don't know how it came to pass. They don't know. My own is that anything here, I say it, Damn the consequences. If you say the truth, you will die. If you don't say the truth, you will die. So, what is it about, don't say it like this, paint it like this? Whether you say it like this or you do not say it like this, you will actually die. Once they kidnap you, they are going to unalive you. The woman that they killed in Oba, what is her crime for them to kill her? She committed no crime. They even killed her, take her body to mortuary, and instructed the mortuary to stab the woman and then break her leg and her neck, then bandage the neck to tell the family, oh, the woman was not killed by a bullet. It was killed by accident. Imagine such inhuman act. After killing somebody unjustly, you abuse the dead body. These are animals in human form that we have. But if you speak up, they will say, oh, why are you speaking up? You're supposed to shut up your mouth and watch our own people's destruction. That is the main problem that I have with them. If you speak up, oh, why are you speaking up? Are you the only person? Why is it that every day time it is you? You're supposed to shut up and allow them to annihilate us. That's the problem. But I used to say one thing, please. We have come a long way. Forward ever, backward never. We have come to preach the truth or damn the consequences. In this very struggle, it is forward ever, backward never. And I would let all of you know, we will continue in the way we preach this very gospel. You just got to pray for us as we are praying for you. This very thing, Lolo on the highway, Agboro Opi way ka Lagos, Weda, Owomida, Lagos, married to a Yoruba man, then have 6 children, 1 girl and 5 boys. Maybe the future Agboro of Lagos. Now her future is bright. Oweda, Owomida. The future is bright, my people. The futures of Agboro in Lagos, she have already got them. And then graduated into fighting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They push her to come and fight Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And all of a sudden, nke unu kpọrọ nwunye ike gbara ụka is somewhere supporting her. Uchechi ikere mbo kọlọ. Eche m asị na ọ dị ọcha ihe a, mana ike ya bụ ike koku. The other side, the other side the oji, the other side the brown, the other side the ọcha. All the rainbow in the world nwere line n'ike ya. Those are the people castigating a holy man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Prozi. They castigate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Prozi. All of them. Both those of them that have come, shown their face. Okay, now I challenge you to come to Ihiala. N'ihiala kan loro nwanyị. Ihiala bụ isi ọgọm. I challenge you to come there. Come down to Ihiala. And let me know the day that you are coming to Ihiala. I challenge you. It's not ordinary hiding at the back of Nokia 3310 talking rubbish. I challenge you to come to Ihiala. I am Nwashibrobi, please. The only thing I preach upon this very platform is nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke a na-akọ mmiri. That's the only thing which I come to preach upon this very platform. Because Elohim, the creator of heaven and earth, is God and not man. Now I want to present to you the program of Barrister Emeka Umagbalase. Watch this very program with your brain. They are investigating what happened in Enugu. Does it need investigation? That our people were annihilated, does it need investigation? That the Nigerian army, in collaboration with the defunct DOS, Nda Achoro Achu Ndoshi, sabotage our children because they said, we cannot work with you. You are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They brought them to Eziagu in order to annihilate them. Does it need an investigation? But as usual, they will investigate. What are they investigating? Who will execute the order that they are investigating? Nobody. As it stands, all the security apparatus in Nigeria are loyal to the Fulani Janjaweed of Nigeria. People are being kidnapped, killed, and beheaded. But those beheading them are repentant every day. Once they catch them, they call them repentant terrorists. What is the meaning of repentant? Can you catch somebody in the action, somebody committing treason, somebody annihilating people, like Anini, like Deriko, like Oshombo, like One-Eye Assassin, like Shinorambo? Can you catch somebody in the act and say the person is repentant? And they will be giving money. But I watched a video. I don't want to put the video here. It is a very disgusting video. Somebody sent that video to me because they shot the guy on the leg and broke the guy's leg. He's an Igbo guy. And he said, why the person who sent the video to me sent it is that because the person mentioned Rabbi. I understand that Rabbi works with USB. So the guy who was shot on the leg mentioned Rabbi. That was the reason why the person sent it to me, that the name of Rabbi was mentioned. But according to the guy, he said that there were 5 that went on that operation and all others have run away. It remained only him. And they shot the guy's leg. These same people who shot and broke the guy's leg cannot shoot Fulani when they catch Fulani. Fulani man kidnap and rape our daughter. For 6 months, they caught them and they did not shoot them. They did not break their ankle. Fulani people went to kidnap in Abia State. When they were caught, they did not shoot them. They did not break their ankle. One Fulani guy was caught on the action of kidnapping, and the guy was boasting, if you hand me over to police, they will free me, I will come back again. That he had been freed on uncountable reasons. They did not shoot that Fulani man. They did not arrest him. I mean, they did not shoot him. They did not torture him. They wait for police to come and for them to hand him over to those who will free him. But immediately it is an Igbo man is involved, they will shoot that Igbo man. Immediately our children is involved, whether truth or false, allegedly they will shoot that particular person. I am against this thoroughly. An injustice to one is an injustice to all. Those killing our children must know that there is no time in the world that those who subjugate, suppress our people will always strive. There is no time. If you subjugate and suppress our own people, time shall come when you will pay for what you do. And when that time comes, you are going to cry. Then you start shouting insecurity. But when you breathed the insecurity, you are an innocent man, and nobody blames you for the insecurity that you breed. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi. I see things differently. It is our children that they are annihilating. It is our children that pays the brunt of all these things. We must gather ourselves together now that we have the numbers. If we do not have the numbers again, I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi. I want to put Emeka Umayabalasi so that you people will hear him speak. But I implore those investigating to come up and tell us what they have investigated. Our children die they kill our children, they execute our children, and all we hear is that we are investigating. Investigating what? Is it investigating that you don't know the people that killed our children? We have the video of the Nigerian army shooting our houses and burning it, kidnapping our young girls for their sex slavery in the north. Are you aware that, let me tell you this truth, too many of our children that have been kidnapped are taken to the north, indoctrinated, then sent to the bush for herdsmen because they don't have the numbers. They indoctrinate your own people, your own children due to the what? They are tender. They send them to the bush to continue their alamajiri work. All these things is what we are supposed to stand up to condemn. I'm letting all of you to know. An injury to one is an injury to all. Anya baby imi ebebe onu ebebe. Ikome ya pụta n'ọnụ. Anya ọnụ a bebe, anya na ebe, ya na agụrụ ishi everywhere. We must know this and know peace. And we must stand up now that there is time to challenge those who are killing us, those who are exterminating us. Because we have the time, we have the numbers. Now, don't wait until you no longer have the time and you don't have the numbers. Who will stand to speak for you? When that time comes that you don't have the numbers, who will stand? Nobody, definitely nobody. There will be nobody on your own side. Listen to Barrister Emeka Agbalasi. And then, if there is time, I will tell you what I find. But listen with your brain. I am not castigating anybody's work, but I'm telling you that there is nothing that you can do in Nigeria to save yourself. The only true finding and the only investigation that you need, stop confusing yourself and stop deceiving yourself. Go and buy AK-47. Give to your youths. Nigeria have been breeding terrorists. The security architecture of Nigeria is against the Igbo man. Even those people indoctrinated into the security architecture of Nigeria are against their own brother. Those Ndibo, they are against their own brother. When they cut on Onyugu, killing community, they do not buy that Onyugu, they do not injure that Onyugu. But once they cut their brother, they injure the person, they destroy the person's leg. And I totally condemn that guy that they shot and destroyed his leg. I don't care to know whom the person works for. I totally condemn it. If you catch the person, you said you have handcuffed him and he ran away with the handcuff. Chase him. Somebody running away with handcuff cannot run faster than the person without handcuff. Chase him and cut him. If you say he's a criminal, but I am not sure. The people that gave you people gun to kill and destroy your own people. That's the instruction. Our own people are not criminals. Forget about the profiling of our own people. We know what is happening. It is give them gun, let them go and reduce their numbers by themselves. Stop the ethnic profiling. And those of you who are acting as the Igbo this, Igbo that, Igbo organization and Igbo this, should stop deceiving our people. Those of you acting as human rights should stop deceiving our people. Let them equip themselves with gun. But once you equip yourself with gun, even those that you are with will go and collect money overnight and start shouting criminality. Even those who tell you that they are fighting for your own freedom will start telling you, oh, those people are criminals. If you ask the person, the person will say, oh, they don't want to work with me, so they are criminals. This has been the problem that we have, but we are going to come out of it. Heaven helps those who help themselves. We need to help ourselves in order to come out from this. It is danger. It looms and it is destroying us. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashiburobi, speaking to you from my end. Please, watch Emeka Agbalasi. Bye for now.
My name is Emeka Agbalasi. Emeka Unabalasi is the leader of the International Society for Civil Liberties and Rule of Law, or Inter-Society. In this my short speech, I also have the consent and the approval of my very good friend and the leader of the Civil Liberties Organization in the Southeast Zone, Comrade Arochusu Emeka Ata. The two organizations that we represent presently issued a short statement promising the public that we are investigating the recent invasion of about 2 or 3 communities in Ezago local government area of Enugu State, including the Imeziowa community in the local government area, which was said to have started on 5th of May 2026, leading to civilian house burnings, other property destructions, and abductions, including the abduction of a young girl that is about 15 or 17 years of age, who has not been returned by the personnel of the Nigerian Army, Enugu Division, till date, being 16th of May 2026. So right now, that is what we are. So we decided, following the ongoing conclusive investigation into the incident launched by the leaders of the Inter-Society and the Southeast CLO, it has become pertinent and expedient to throw more light in this digital comment section, otherwise called a documentary, short documentary, that is accompanying our expected report from the incident. Now, that act of the Nigerian military personnel of 82 Division in Enugu is found to be despicable and condemnable. It runs foul of the modern processes and procedures of military operational engagement, including the use of force and the use of force and proportionality of the same. So as a result, we want to leave the public with few comments with regard to what happened in that particular incident, where hundreds of indigenous of the affected communities have deserted their ancestral homes and now taking refuge in Enugu, different communities in Enugu, and the Enugu capital city of Enugu State. It is despicable and condemnable. More facts are going to be unveiled to be able to let the world know exactly what happened in that operation or effected operation. Now in the summary, our emerging facts indicated that not less than 10 civilian homes were razed or burned to ashes by the Nigerian Army or personnel of the Nigerian Army of 82 Division. Out of these 10, not less than 10 houses that were burned down or razed, our investigators were able to locate 6 of them. And they all located in communal residential areas and have nothing to do with the location of the reported incident between some unnamed or some armed persons, which Nigerian Army described as ESN or ESN members, that is, members of Eastern Security Network, and the Nigerian personnel of Nigerian Army. While the reported incident, took place in far away place from where the residential areas are located, otherwise called Ajali, Owa Ajali, near Ajali River, and its surrounding farmlands that are over 2 to 3 kilometers away from where indigenous of the community live or reside. So, the Nigerian military personnel are found to have left the place of incident and now decided to unleash violence on defenseless and innocent indigenous of the affected area, and including their dwelling houses and other properties. Presently looking into. Finally, we are not going to, the findings are inexhaustive here. The findings made by our investigators, analyzed and compiled by our leaders, including myself in my capacity as a university-trained criminologist and graduate of security studies, and a peacemaker or a Master of Science degree holder in peace studies and conflict resolution. The findings are not going to be, are inexhaustive using this platform. However, much elaborations and explanations are provided in our forthcoming report that will be attached or matched with this particular short documentary for the world to see who is lying, whether it is the affected communities that are lying or personnel of the Nigerian Army. And again, whether the operations of the Nigerian Army in this regard are in conformity with the provisions of the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, especially Chapter 4 of the 1999 Constitution, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights of 1983, signed, ratified and domesticated by Nigeria in December 1983, and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights of 1976, signed and ratified by Nigeria in 1993. So these are the areas that are going to be, addressed by the report to be able to tell the world what actually happened. We make bold to say, in this case, Inter-Society and Southeast Sierra, that we are for our people, for the downtrodden. We are consistently, and we continue to consistently provide non-state actor angle from what is going on in this particular part of the country. One thing we found in that report or investigation was the remote involvement and instigation of the jihadist Fulani herdsmen that have been terrorizing Ezago, various communities in Ezago, including Imeziowa and East Sub communities since 2010. So it was actually at the instigation of the Fulani, jihadist Fulani herdsmen and their leaders that Nigerian army, personnel of Nigerian army in Enugu state stormed Ezago to cause confusion, to chase indigenous of the communities away, and possibly lay a ground for Fulani herdsmen to operate with utter alacrity, including unleashing their jihadist and genocidal activities on the defenseless and the innocent indigenous of the entire Ezago communities that are numbering 14. There are estimated 14 communities within Ezago local government area. And from our recent investigation, more than 90% of them are affected by the activities of the jihadist Fulani herdsmen for a very long time, especially since 2010. So our textual part of the report will explain further details about what has happened and the laws breached, laws, procedures, and processes breached by the personnel of the Nigerian army, and even the named armed group involved.
Look at what Nigerian army did to my house, my country home. They said they were fighting with, they fought with ESN in the morning. Later in the day, they came here and destroyed our house. This is not the place the ESM ambushed them. Neither is it the place they fought with them. They just came here, nobody inside. I was outside, I was in Enugu with my family. I live in Enugu, I'm a civil servant. They just came here, destroyed everything. Our house was locked, nobody inside. Nobody. Not even a single soul. Not goats, not cow. They just destroyed the whole thing. Beyond repair. Look at my house, nothing. There's nothing inside. Nothing. Everything destroyed. Totally destroyed. Totally destroyed. Nothing. Nothing to get from this place. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. Look at the place.
Kwenugo from Barrister Emeka that these very people came to clear ground for Fulani to operate. I have been in Eziago, and many of you who have not been in Eziago do not even know the danger. These very people cannot access most of their farmland anymore for the fear of Fulani. Most of the times when they go to their farm, it is either somebody is killed there or the person is being macheted there. And they are living in fear for a very long time. Then this Nigerian military came to kill the indigenes. They went and set civilian homes ablaze. They did not even get to where the Eastern Security Network themselves are. They destroyed people's property, cleared homes. This is what they are doing to give Fulani age, to give them age in order to continue their dominance over us. And you must stop it. You must speak now that there is time. If you keep on keeping quiet, to what stage, to what end will you keep on keeping quiet? To what end? I'm telling all of you, you need to stand up and speak now, because a stitch in time saves 9. Nobody should deceive you, and nobody should make you to believe that the Nigerian army is there for you. Then in the other hand, there will be no investigation. Even after this investigation, nothing will come out of it. The only thing that will come out of it is that you have more billionaires. I heard the Lord said that his money is $300 million in dollars. And Lord is the least of the richest na Igbo. $300 million. And he cannot even give $1 million. Kego AK-47 for the protection of Igbo. Ala Biafra. That is not giving it to 419 or so, because I heard somebody was telling me today that some people gave out millions of dollars when Onyendu was around to the DOS. Ka alụọ ya n'ọgụ once and for all. And that is the reason, that is how they became multimillionaires. Not giving it to criminals. Like Nneka Akwela Nneka Chimezie nke bụ agboro Park ihe na Lagos. Bịa n'ala Igbo so no investigative journalist. Na ya bụ president women agboro of Lagos. Not people like that. Sowing your money in what will benefit the people. There are too many millionaires in our land. Maybe they are waiting until Fulani take over their community. There is a community in Abia State. Somebody sent to me a video which I will not play upon this very platform. Much of the community have been invaded by Fulani. Ha knows the left, right, and center everywhere. Somebody who sent it to me, I don't know where the person take it from or where the person downloaded it from. Ha no left, right, and center in every angle. And the person said to me, if we keep quiet, if not these things that we are doing, the people are going to sleep. That can I imagine Fulani in all of these places in Abia State? They are gradually turning Abia into another Yoruba land. What an irony. But we will stop them. They cannot continue incriminating and taking over our land. We will stop them. We have come to stop them, and we will. They can talk all their rubbish for all they care, but we will stop them at the appropriate time. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Hamadike ndị Igbo. Egbe a na-agba n'igwe ebe agrịma ka a na-ala n'ihi. Chukwu a na-ahụ anya. Saviors comes once in a lifetime. May the name of Yahweh Yoshua be praised for giving us Savior who have come in this our present time to serve, guide us towards the restoration of Biafra. May his name be praised. Then, may Chukwu Okike, God bless Maazị Simon Ekpa. Eba na-agba n'igwe ebe agrịma ka a na-ala n'ihi, another Savior. Somebody who have come to you jiri onwe chụọ aja for the freedom of his own people. These two leaders are blessing to mankind, and they will remain so till Biafra come and beyond. God bless them, and God bless all of you who are listening and who are contributing one way or the other towards the restoration of Biafra. Then Ekwensu, the great god of war of Igbo land, gozie unu niile bụ sabo in the blessing of Ekwensu. Ya jiri blessing ya, gozie unu niile bụ sabo one after the other for the damage you have done to the Biafra restoration. And those of you who sabotage and backstab Onyendu, may Ekwensu bless you one after the other. From me, from here, from the temple of the Great Sea, onye omena amara na nke ikpeazụ a, It is good afternoon, please.